1, 2, make a circle. 3, 4, a big circle. 5, 6, watch a circle. Turudi utotoni, I guess. Yeah. Women kushamza iswa TV. Shiswa TV. Anyway, karibuni hapa.
What's up, baby? Look at you. Look at you. I'm the girl. I'm the girl.
So hi, on the 5th of this month, this is May, Homa Bay TV and Joyous Travels organize a hike, and we were told to bring friends and to deliver. Of course it did. So hapa we were waiting for others to come so that we could just, go together for the hike. Nini, nini. Yeah, that is Sage, Homa Bay TV. You see him, you see Homa Bay TV here. Sticky girls, sticky girl. Look at this paint. Look at this. So good for pig, pig. Kanapenda kuziteta ting kata wasichana ja kudance, wasichana ja kudance cheki. Kanapenda kuzitafuta ruji chache. Somebody said that watu wanapenda hii song hawana taste. Ona venye watu hawana taste wanaenjoy hii song. Ona chiki 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 chiki. Okay, imagine we are the new adults. We are the new adults. Look at how we are acting. So professional. I love it. I love it, yeah. Normalize kukua new adult. Normalize having fun. Yeah, that's us enjoying this song. Again. I don't know where these people got this babe from, but she can move. She can. Cheeky girls, cheeky, 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 ta, 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 shika, shikanga, langa, lianga, That's G-Max, yo. Nakuja hike na bike, but anyway, that's him. G-Max and C. Cheeky vile girls ameshanga. Nani anaendanga hike na bike? Who does that? What's the Anyway, we love him. We love this. Let's go. She's sweat. She's sweat her girl. Chicky, wish I sweat. So we just got to our I guess destination. We were hiking Nakuliko at the top of the river forest where we were just stopping, play games, nini, bond, blah blah blah. Yeah, and get to know each other. Chicky, I have to go back to Jeff. Let's go back there. MC Jeff akihema hivyo. No, we are actually, people are tired. People are tired. It was hard. But anyway, check your view. Look at that. Look at that nature. Look what God did. Oof. Look at look at that. Look at that. People just having fun, so just kiss it.
Just video the hug, man.
So yeah, whoever the person was, she was so psyched up for her life. It was not me. It was not me. So yeah, people were now like just taking photos, to keep the memories before we get into the games. Yeah, and kind of like each other because we don't really know people here. Some of us just met for the first time, others are friends. So yeah, that is a celeb. That is Cyrus the lyricist. He's our local celebrity, you know. Yeah, so let's enjoy that. Do you know how hard it is to convince men to just stand there and take photos? Well, this was not hard. They just stood there like, well, you see them to take photos, and it was nice. It, I guess it was nice. They're laughing. Look, see how happy they are. See how people, yeah, see how happy people are. And now it was the lady's turn to take photos. And well, the camera person of the lady, so she couldn't record that. Yeah. Da-da-da-da. Let's go. And look at nature. Hmm. Nature. Again, our celeb. That's joyous. That's joyous. One of the organizers for the hike. We love her. Yeah. And now it was everyone started taking photo. And well, sure people were at the front, seated down, and the camera person is short, so she had to take from that view. That is from her. That's from her view. Yeah, and that was done now. Let's play.
Yes, sir.
One, two, make a circle, three, four, a big circle, five, six. These are losers. These ones lost in the game and now they had to sit down. I can't even remember the name of the game we're playing, but those ones outside, they're not smart, but like they didn't lose. Yeah, so I see how losers are happy. I don't get. And these are some of the photos we took. Um, just people just this was just fun. This was fun. It was organized by Joyous Travels and Homa Bay TV. Check them out on all socials, Homa Bay TV. For the next one, for a full video on this hike and the whole thing. But Homa Bay TV. For now, enjoy the photos. Bye.